Welcome to Product Explorer, the channel where we dive into the most fascinating and innovative products shaping our world. From gadgets and gear to groundbreaking technologies, we explore it all to help you make smarter choices. In today's video, we're uncovering the mysteries of Soundwave technology, a revolutionary approach that's said to unlock genius potential hidden within all of us. What is it? How does it work? And can it truly transform your life? Let's find out together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an exploration. Now, let's dive in. What is Soundwave technology and how to unlock genius? What if I told you that your brain holds untapped potential, the kind of creativity, focus, and genius that can change your life? And what if you could unlock it using just sound? Yes, sound. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Soundwave technology and how it claims to unleash your inner genius. Is it science or hype? Let's find out. Understanding brainwaves. Before we jump into the technology, let's talk about how your brain works. Your brain operates on electrical signals, which create waves. These waves, called brainwaves, can be measured in frequencies. There are 5 main types: beta, alpha, theta, delta, and gamma. Each plays a role in how you think, feel, and even how creative you are. For instance, beta waves are associated with active thinking and problem solving. Alpha waves kick in when you're relaxed and calm. But the magic happens with theta waves. These waves, operating at 4 to 8 Hz, are linked to deep relaxation, intuition, and creativity. It's often called the genius state. Genius equals creativity plus intuition plus relaxation. Interestingly, children spend a lot of time in the theta state, which explains their vivid imagination and ability to learn quickly. But as we grow older, stress, routine, and modern life take over, making it harder to access this state naturally. What is Soundwave technology? So how do we reawaken this genius state? This is where Soundwave technology comes in. You might have heard terms like binaural beats or isochronic tones. These are sound frequencies designed to sync your brainwaves to specific states. This process is called brainwave entrainment. Here's how it works. For binaural beats, you listen with headphones. One ear hears a tone at, say, 200 Hz, while the other hears a tone at 204 Hz. The brain processes the difference, in this case 4 Hz, which falls into the theta range. This encourages your brain to enter a relaxed, creative state. Binaural beats equals 200 Hz left through 204 Hz right equals 4 Hz theta range. Benefits and claims. Proponents of Soundwave technology claim it can do wonders, enhancing focus, sparking creativity, reducing stress, and even helping with learning and memory. But some take it a step further, marketing these sounds as a shortcut to genius. Here are the top benefits people often report. Deep relaxation, perfect for meditation. Enhanced creativity and problem solving. Better focus and productivity. Improved sleep quality. Reduced stress and anxiety. Sounds amazing, right? But let's get into the science behind it. What does science say? While Soundwave technology is exciting, what does science actually say? Some studies suggest that brainwave entrainment can help with relaxation and focus. In one study, participants who listened to theta-inducing binaural beats showed improved creativity and reduced stress. A quick snapshot of scientific studies and findings. However, the claims of unlocking genius abilities are not fully backed by science. The brain is incredibly complex, and there's no magic sound wave that will instantly make you a genius. But that doesn't mean it's useless. These tools can be part of a larger strategy for personal growth. How to use Soundwave technology. If you're curious about trying Soundwave technology, here's how to get started. Choose the right sounds. Look for trusted sources of binaural beats or isochronic tones. Be sure to check the description of this video for our top recommendation. Find a quiet space. Make sure you're in a distraction-free environment. Use headphones. For binaural beats, headphones are essential. Isochronic tones work with regular speakers. Set a goal. Whether it's relaxation, focus, or creativity, set an intention before you begin. Be consistent. Use the technology regularly to notice any effects. Genius. Hard work, creativity, tools. What do you think? Have you tried Soundwave technology? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the science and hype, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching Product Explorer, where we explore the tools and tech that make life better. See you in the next video.